Hello everyone, welcome to Suresh Agarwal's Reasoning Mantra. Today I am bringing to you the second video based on classification that deals with number classification. So in this video we are going to talk about number classification, how to classify numbers, finding the odd one out from a given set of numbers. That's what we are going to do in this video. So let's get started. So question number 1 is a previous year question from the SBI Clerk 2012 exam. If we observe the given options carefully, we find that there is one of the options which doesn't have the relation as the other four options given to us. So basically in these type of questions, we'll be finding the odd one out. Which of the given options is different from the other four or the other three. If we look at the first option, 2 and 8, 3 and 27, that is the second option, we find there's a common relation. The cube of 2 gives us 8. Similarly, the cube of 3 gives us 27. What about the cube of 4? Is it 32? I don't think so, because 4 fours are 16 and 16 fours are gives you 64. Then further, the cube of 5 is again 125 and the cube of 6 is 216. So we find that option C is the odd one out here because it is not following the same pattern as option A, B, D and E. In the second question, again, we'll be looking for the similar relation between the options that are given to us. If we add 3 to 8, what do we get? We get 11. If we add 3 to 1, we get 4. If we add 3 to 7, we get 10. And if we add 3 to 3, we do not get 5, instead we get 6. So D option is the one which is not following the trend which the other options are following in question number 2. So D will be the odd one out here. This is a previous year question from the SSC exams for the year 2014. Let us now have a look at the third question. So in the third question, we'll be going with the sum of the digits. Let us add the digits, that is 8 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0. What do we get? We get a total of 10. Similarly, if we add 9 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0, again we get a total of 10. Adding 1 plus 1 plus 8 plus 9, this is not equal to 10 because it will be something much greater than 10. I think it will be 19. And if we add 1, 2, 3 and 4, again we get 10. So the odd one out here will be option number C. Now you can see in this question, in the third and the fourth questions, in fact, we have just a single number. It's not a set of numbers. So questions may be based either on single numbers or on the set of numbers. In both the cases, you have to find the odd one out. This is a previous year question from the SSC exams in the year 2015. Looking at question number 4, again a previous year question from the RRB exams for the year 2011. Again you see there's a set of 4 numbers on your screen. So if we add these numbers, what do we get? 4 plus 8 plus 6 plus 7, it gives us 25. When we add 5 plus 5 plus 5 and again 5, it gives us 20. When we add 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3, it gives us 15. And when we add 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 5, it gives us 22. So when we look at the sums, they are not the same. That means the criteria must be something else. If we look at the sum of option A, B and C, we find that they are all divisible by 5. But the sum of option D is not. So we go with option D as the answer to this particular question. Now, as far as number classification is concerned, these can be the various parameters based on which the questions may be asked. Like the questions may be asked based on whether the number is prime or not. Like there may be 5 options given to you, 4 options given to you, out of which one is prime while others are not, or maybe 4 are prime and the 5th one is not, or maybe the sum of the numbers is prime, that way. or the numbers may be odd and even. That means the sum of a particular set of numbers may be odd, the sum of a particular set of numbers may be even. So depending upon the numbers of odd and even digits that are there, you can be asked to find the odd one out. Squares and square roots, cubes and cube roots, or divisibility rules, like divisibility by a particular number. Some of the numbers may be divisible by a common number, whereas one of them may not be. So that one would be the odd one out. So you can expect such questions in almost all competitive exams where classification is a part of the syllabus. And yes, if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button. Share this with your friends and do subscribe to our channel if not done yet. So thanks for joining me, and see you soon with another important video based on reasoning.